Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time at the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from Japan. This is a Zenpop box. You can go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code The Ramen Raider, get yourself a discount. As I've mentioned before, generally when I get one of these, there's nothing in here that I've tried before, which I really like that aspect of it. Yeah, let's crack it open and see what's inside. Ooby dooby. So when you crack open the box, you'll find one of these little cards, and this has the information on a link where you can find out about everything in the box, a little backstory on each one, preparation, food allergens that may be inside. So yeah, this is something to keep. And then we've got this interesting card, and I'll read what it has to say on here. Says, greetings from Osaka. The new year came faster than anyone could expect. It's the start of a fresh new adventure for all of us, and we're glad you're here with us to celebrate a new beginning. Zenpop is from Osaka and in Osaka. We love to explore the endless amount of flavors and inspiration that the city provides. Every time we get a chance to include those in your box, we will take it. Hence, starting this month, you can discover a wider variety of flavors through our newly launched Japanese snack box. We hope that the box you got will bring you a step closer to Japan and make you want to visit us in Osaka soon. Enjoy your treats. The Zenpop team. Okay, so I'm going to use that link from the other card and tell you a little about each variety within. So this is called the Pokemon Ramen Club box, and this is for February 2023. This is a Sapporo Ichiban variety. This is Pokemon Noodles Tomato Cream flavor. And yeah, this looks interesting. There's a lot of Pokemon characters on it. Of course, there's Pikachu, and it mentions Pocket Monsters. Yeah, we'll see how this is. And here's another one. This is from Sapporo Ichiban as well, and this is Pokemon Noodles Onion Consomme flavor. Yeah, I gotta be honest. The Pokemon varieties tend to be kind of, I think I've had one or two that have been good, but usually when there's tie-ins, something's lost, and it's less about authenticity and wonderful food and more about, hey, look, it's a Pikachu. So I'm keeping an open mind. Onion Consomme, yeah, we'll see. And this one, again, is from Sapporo Ichiban. This is a Pokemon Noodle Shoyu flavor. So yeah, soy sauce flavor noodle. I think these, yeah, if you look here, see right here, it comes with like a little pog thing you can collect. I've got a few of them. I have had this one before. I'll give it a re-review. It's been years, so yeah, cool. And this one is not so Pokemonified. This is an Ace Cook variety. This is their Wakame ramen with shrimp and soy sauce. Wakame's a sea vegetable. Yeah, I'm not exceedingly optimistic about this one, whether that I'll like it, but I'll give it a try. I don't know that I have had this one, but it looks kind of familiar, so maybe I have. And here we go. We got one from New Touch, aka Yamadai. This is a Yokohama Aiki Tonkatsu ramen. And what's interesting about this one is, as you can see, it's red. That looks red to me. And generally, red means shoyu. It does not mean tonkatsu. So, well, it does come with a piece of pepperoni-style chashu. Should be a good bowl. Next up, another one from New Touch, aka Yamadai. This is nostalgic burnt soy sauce ramen. I've heard of brewed soy sauce, but I've never heard of burnt. This is interesting. Looks like it's got a bunch of stuff with it. Yeah, these New Touch varieties are usually really good. And to finish out the box, we've got one from Myojo Foods. This is their Hyobanya layered Kokitama Spicy Shio. And what's weird about this looks red to me too. Yeah, this seems like it should be blue because usually the blue varieties are shoyu, but a lot of red. So, yeah. Alright, so in this, the special Pokemon Ramen Club box for February 2023 from Zenpop, you get Shio, burnt soy sauce, Pokemon, Pokemon Tonkatsu? Sea Vegetable Extravaganza, a message from the team in Osaka, and a card with information on how to get information about what's in this box. Alright, as always, thank you very much to the kind folks over at Zenpop Box for sending these every month for quite a while now, and I hope you keep sending them. If you want to get one of these neato boxes, you can head over to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider. Get yourself a discount. Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.